Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Trick. In this video, I will show you how to set up a Wi-Fi hotspot on Windows 11 so you can share your internet connection with other devices. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type settings. As you can see at the top, a gear-like option here. Click on it. Now you have to look for network and internet option. Click on it. Now in the right window, you have to search for mobile hotspot. As you can see here, mobile hotspot. Select mobile hotspot. Toggle the mobile hotspot switch on, as you can see here, by clicking on it. Now under share my internet connection from, select the connection you want to share over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So I will prefer Wi-Fi. Click edit to customize your hotspot name, SSID and password. By click over it. Choose a strong password to keep your network secure. As you can see here, at least you have to select your password to at least 8 characters so you can your network can be secure. Now you can choose any band or you can select your 5 gigahertz or anything, but I will select any available and click on save. Now on your phone, tablet or another laptop, open Wi-Fi settings. Look for your hotspot name. As you can see here, my hotspot name is laptop 8. You can search over the Wi-Fi on your device or another device, and you can directly scan over this QR code and your mobile device get connected to my laptop automatically. If needed, you can turn off the hotspot anytime to stop sharing your internet. So guys, you have successfully set up a Wi-Fi hotspot on your Windows 11. Let me know in the comments, do you use this feature often? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more relevant tips. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.